Hi, first graders. This week you will be writing full paragraph opinion writing. Now, the page you see right now is our opinion writing sentence frames. So, the first thing is the sentence frame is your introduction. So you say, in my opinion, I think, and then the yellow highlighted part is where you put what you think. So if we're talking about our favorite animal, you would say, I think the best animal is, and then you tell me what it is. Okay? That's your first sentence. Your second sentence is the first detail sentence. You would say, I feel this way because, then you, in the yellow, write your opinion. Why do you think that's the best pet? Then you have a third sentence, which is your second detail. It says, I also think this because, and then you get to tell me another reason for thinking that whatever you said above is the best. Okay? Then you have to have your last sentence, which is a conclusion, and it says, that is why I think, and then you say, the best pet is blank. Let's look at an example of something we did last week. So last week we talked about our favorite fruit. So the first thing you did was a circle map. So I drew out a little circle map. You could always draw a circle map on the back of your paper as well. So the little box here is my opinion. I think the best fruit is oranges. Then in the bigger circle is my details. I said I like the color orange, I like citrus, I think they're sweet, and I like to make orange juice. Then, what this next step we did last week was put it into a graphic organizer. I have created my own here as well. In the top box is where you write your first sentence. In my opinion, I think orange is the best fruit. Then you need to give me 2 to 3 reasons. Reason number 1, you can make orange juice. Reason number 2, orange is my favorite color. And reason number 3, oranges are sweet. Then you have to have your conclusion. That is why I think oranges are best. So let's go ahead and write an opinion piece using our favorite fruit example. Okay, so in my opinion, I think, and then we're talking about the best fruit, so I'm going to say I think, oh, hang on, let me switch pens here. I think the best fruit is, and then I get to state my opinion, which I think the best fruit is oranges. Okay, make sure you have a period at the end. Then you need to write your first detail. I feel this way because if you forget a detail, you can go back to your graphic organizer. This is my first one. You can make orange juice. I feel this way because you can make orange juice. Period at the end. Okay, then you're writing your third sentence. I also think this because that's where your second detail comes in. I said orange is my favorite color, so I also think this because orange is my favorite color. I'm making sure to use my best handwriting. Make sure you have capitals at the beginning, finger spaces in between words, and a period at the end. Then I'm writing my last sentence. That is why I think, and that's what you're putting here. And you're stating your opinion again. And if you look at the first sentence, I stated my opinion. The best fruit is orange. That's what I'm going to say again. That is why I think the best fruit is an orange. Okay? And that is how you write an opinion writing. Now, tomorrow, well, let's start with today. Today you'll be writing about your favorite toy. Tomorrow, you'll be writing about why Rolling Meadows is the best school, and that writing is actually going to be turned in for a grade. Now, this writing, you can use the sentence frame, so you can keep this video on pause, or pause it on this page right here so that you have those sentence frames for you. Once again, the blue is your sentence frames, and the yellow is where you write your opinion. See you tomorrow.